Hello. Sorry, that was a little bit extra delayed, but now we're here. Just chucking my headphones in. All right. Yep. And my camera is here. What's up, guys? Hey, how's it going? Welcome back. And welcome in anyone who's new here. So apparently I have some like new controls now. I can like stop ads from happening. I can insert ads. I can take a break and show ads. That's pretty good. To be honest, I'll probably just use the break feature to help me get some extra monetization through those ads. And then I think there's like some mid-roll ones maybe, but that'll be it. Yeah, so this goal here, actually, it's not. I didn't really know how to title it, but it's like, it's not expected of anyone to do this. I'm never asking. I mean, maybe it looks like I am. It's not my intention. It's just like, if people want to support me, that'd be awesome. And it's just going to go back into coding, to be honest, and just support myself. So I think that's a pretty typical thing to do as a content creator. It just feels so weird to do it sometimes. But the point of this is I calculated out what I would typically earn per month from Amazon. So with my standard price membership, which on Twitch would be a subscription, right? It's different on YouTube. This would enable me to actually like 385 memberships would equate to the amount that I make per month in Amazon. So if I could make that, I could actually genuinely quit Amazon. So yeah, I figured I'd just add some sort of goal there because we made it to our massive milestone goal of 1,000 subscribers, and that's the main place that I wanted to get to. And this goal is just a side goal, and if anyone wants to contribute, that would be awesome. If not, totally fine. I feel like I'll have to explain that a bunch of times later. So I think there's only 3 of you guys in here. Anyway, let's get cracking a little bit on this. Get cracking, lol. Did we download that app or did it get? We have that, right? Yeah, get cracking here. Cool. How's everyone doing tonight? Okay, so let's figure this thing out here. Maybe we'll redo it now that we've sort of made a little baby prototype, because it's getting a little bit out of hand now. We've got this cool animation. We can't select anything else except next here. But I need the retry button. The retry button. Oh, it doesn't even come up anymore. If is correct is true, bring up this. Wait, if is correct. Bring up. Else. If it's not correct, we want to bring out. If it's correct, we bring out this, right? Wait. We don't, I think we don't want an if is correct here. I think we need a separate one. Let's chuck in a button tapped. That's the one we need, I think. So all we need to do here, if button tapped, any button tapped. Oh, whoa, geez. I really, there. So every single one of these is going to activate button tapped. Whoa. Hey, Mayhem, I haven't actually tried Grok 4. It sounds like it's powerful though, the idea of it. Button tapped. True. We're gonna put that everywhere here. If, wait. Choose the emotion next. Choose the emotion, wait. If, so button tapped, retry comes up. What are your thoughts on Grok 4, by the way? Have you tried it? Right. Okay, so. If it's correct, black, otherwise gray. You know what? I want to put another fun thing in here. Text. Maybe just a text. All right, edit it. I think that's fun to see. Show. Oh, is it down too low? Hold on. Move it up a bit. Yeah. You guys, you guys can see my income that I make from YouTube. I want to just put this here. Sorry, one sec. I'm just editing the thing here. The text. Whoa, that's weird. Can't like get it to shit properly. Oh, that's why. There you go. There we go. You guys should be able to see that. My income from Uber. I mean, my income from YouTube this month. There we go. Yeah, but they hide the Beast feature for the yearly payment. Oh, the best feature. Oh, okay. I see. That's kind of lame. Yo, Croco. Haven't seen you in a while, man. Didn't you start an Amazon human resources job or something recently? How's that going? I think that was what you were doing, right? I know, right? Dude, in the time you've left, you haven't been here, I finally made it to 1,000 subscribers. Insanity. Not that long. It didn't take that long. Thanks to everyone's support here. Thank you, brother. Thank you. See that unexpected goal memberships to quit Amazon delivery? That one, that's you. Oh, really? Didn't you just start that though? Do you not like it already? Oh, I see. Fair enough. Maybe it was the wrong pick for you in that moment. Could be. Could have been. I'm kind of like that as well, but at the same time, I can be social too. But these days, I don't really want to be. So we actually want this to be blue. We'll start appearing for interviews from next month. Like for new jobs. I'm working on a startup idea that my friend and I wanna do. This is obviously just me there, but we're prototyping at the moment. This is like an app that kind of companions with a comic book, but it's for autistic children to help them understand their emotions better. So right now, this is kind of like, well, telling a little bit of a story, and you tap on like what you think, what what feeling I think I have in this photo. Obviously, it's excitement. Right here, it's like choosing emotion, and then if you choose anger or sadness, the wrong one, retry will pop up, and then excitement obviously brings up the you did it, and these things here. Next, new job would be cool. Yeah, for me too. I love a new job. At the end of this month, I'm gonna be applying for internships or just like saying to companies, hey, can I work for you for free to get some experience? That'd be nice. Thank you very much. And then I'm going to set myself up on Fiverr too. Just one question. Did you figure out how to change the background? Oh, that was from long ago, right? I either did or I realized that I couldn't. Oh man, I don't know what that was from now. Holy crap. Okay, that's all disabled now. You can go next. Oh, jeez. Oh man, it was the hardest thing. Why was I struggling so much? So when I click retry, I need to set if button tapped. Wait a second. How do I get it to show nothing here? Else. Wait, what? What is happening here? Did I put the else in the wrong spot? I think I did. Oh yeah, I did. That's not. I need. Shoot! Now I'm confusing myself again. If it's tapped, this appears. If it's wait. This is the retry button, right? False. There you go. Simple as hell. Jeez, that's jiggly. I like it. That's kind of fun. Okay. Let's do it. Hey, just curious, if anyone's listening, did you guys end up seeing an ad when you clicked on this video? Or have you seen one since it started? I'm just very curious on how it all works. And I'll be updating how much I'm making once the system updates my income from the new monetization system setup that I got. Okay, this is cool. So this actually works. This kind of actually works. Holy shit. Now, what is this? Page stack. Where's the top of the heap here? Z stack. We'll put what if dot overlay maybe? Button. Title key action. Test button. Dot button style dot glass. There we go. No, hold on, let me open SF Symbols real quick. I'm surprised no one's here tonight. Okay, we want a, here it is. This is it. Copy name. Why? Why? Why is this? Class problem. Why is there a space there? Oh, it is literally because of this. I can't remember how to do a simple button again. Like a simple, where it's just a system image. Nope. Button. Action label then. Oh, that's what we get. We're gonna do image. System name. There we go. That's what we want, I guess. Wow. Too big. What's up, El Abimana? We going. We are going. Where are we gonna put this? We want that down here actually. And then we want, do we want this in an H stack? Yes. Why did you pick iPhone's app development? I don't know, it was easy to get into. I really enjoyed it when I started it, and I was like, wow, I love this. I'm gonna do it, and I just kind of got into it. I was into writing it. I like using the Mac. I like the whole system. I mean, it's not the best system, obviously, according to a lot of people, but it's good for me. I don't know, it's just really powerful yet simple. And it should be like that. There we go. So we're gonna here. This button is gonna. What are the default ones here? Is visibles false? Button tapped false. Thanks, man. What about you? What do you code? What are you doing? I think these are. Take or X, is that pointless? Yep. Get rid of that. There we go, that's simplified. Can I do this with animation? That would be cool. Ooh. That's awesome. Web developer for the same reason as you. Oh, awesome, man. It was easy to start. It was fun. I love that. And now you love it, right? Have you been doing it for a while, or are you still learning? Well, everyone's still learning, but you know what I mean. This looks nice now. You can reset it when you want to. That's fun. That's fun. I learned online. I taught myself through a bunch of tutorials and sometimes developer documentation. All sorts of places. Hacking with Swift, Swiftful, thinking. I use Udemy as well to teach me a bit too at the beginning. And a few Apple tutorials too. Hello, Aniket. Hello. Nope, I'm in field for more than 6 years, so it's not fun. So it's not fun for 2 or 3 years. Well, you made it. You're getting paid for that, right? So I'm assuming. So this is awesome. So we'll just for fun run us through this. I took the day off, did not write a single line of code. Well, good for you. Tomorrow is my day off, but I'm still gonna do Amazon, so I might still code when I get home, but I don't know if I'm gonna stream or not. You know what? Tomorrow might actually be my car stream. I might do that tomorrow because it's like day off. Yep, sure. It's hard to switch now because of the salary difference. Oh, I can imagine. Yeah, Udemy is awesome, isn't it? It's so good and such a low monthly subscription for like how much power you get when you subscribe. Yeah, days off are really important. They are. They are. I mean, this is a lot of thinking, but the car stream wouldn't be a lot of thinking. Just curious. I know there's only like 8 people here at the moment, but I know you guys will be tempted to tap the second poll option, but just truthfully, just tap. just for fun. The thing I was trying to do for 3 days, my brother did in 10 minutes. Oh man, you should get help from him more often. Like, not don't get him to do it for you, obviously, but you know, currently in education right now. Yes, I am, Rafat. I am, kinda. I mean, I'm not in school, but I'm teaching myself. So yeah. All right, let's just have a little moment to appreciate uh this app that I just made in full. This app prototype. I just subscribed. I love to see your channel grow with coding content. Oh, thank you so much, El Abimana. I like your name. What does it mean? What is Abimana in? I'm assuming is that Spanish? Try to learn from his, but he is busy himself with his internships. Oh, understandable. Understandable. When I joined, it was crazy time. 2019. I learned only for 3 months. Got only 3 questions on interview in a small IT company. Got all of them wrong, and they still hired me. That was completely different. Oh yeah, it's totally different, man. Competition is really high now for junior devs. Yeah, it really is. But look, I'm determined to master this stuff. So that's my interest to absolutely master Swift. I want to be really good at this. Really good at this one thing. I've been looking for that thing my whole life, to be really good at one single thing. And I never found the thing to like dive deep into until I realized that 6 months ago. This is my thing to just know everything about. I love it. Thank you, Pablo. Thank you so much. Hey, Dap. I'm coding too now too. Good to see you. Awesome, Dap. Awesome. That's awesome. We're all rooting for you here. What are you coding? What language are you learning? Deuced, I'm really good at this really specific thing that requires years of mastering called sleeping. Dude, I'm so bad at sleeping. I can sleep. I mean, I can sleep, but like, I don't want to. I want to keep coding sometimes. I want to keep gaming sometimes. Um, and also, I don't know. Maybe I don't even know how to describe. I'm just not good at it. Hard to fall asleep sometimes too. Bro, I cannot say your name, so I'm not even gonna try. You should change your username so I can actually reference you. But hey, bro, I built my first mini website, like a to-do app with JS Tuesday. Yo, great job. That's awesome, man. That's awesome. Insomnia, I suppose. Yeah. I mean, probably a bit of it. Jacob sucks at code. Your name, man. I hope that's sarcasm, because you're actually really good at code. Keep up the good work, dude. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Hey, Loop. Damn, so many familiar faces in here. Hey, who's the one who voted you don't want to see my car? Hey. I'm gonna change it. I will. It's coming tomorrow because I ran out of time today to do it earlier, and you know what? I like you guys are gonna be at this time too, aren't you? Um, I might see if I can start the stream just a little bit earlier tomorrow, but I'll I won't be at home. I'll do it on my phone, and I'll go over to the parking. I mean the mall, and I'll do a live stream on my phone. Because tomorrow's technically my day off, is what I was trying to say. So it's my day off from coding, like letting my brain kind of chill. Um, SK, is the Amazon delivery like an actual job, or is it like Uber Eats where you can do whatever you want? It's similar to Uber, but you can't do it whenever you want. You have to schedule your shifts basically. So like you have to go into the app. Excuse me, a bit tired, extra tired right now. You go into the app and then you schedule like a time frame between like roughly 1 p.m. to, I don't know, 2:30 p.m., something like that. And then you have to show up on that day. And if you don't, you're like quote unquote penalized. I don't really know what happens. But yeah, you have like a set time, so you can't choose, and you can cancel up to 45 minutes before, something like that as well. Thank you, Loop. Thank you. I know we finally made it. I'm asking because if the company doesn't disallow it, you can stream your Amazon delivery job. Oh yeah, I'm sure I could stream it. I don't think they say anything about that. Aren't using cursor? Cause I want to properly learn. Why do you stream? Isn't it super distracting? It can be like it is right now because I think it's because I'm more tired and part of me doesn't want to focus on the coding at the moment. But I'm kind of like really just happy that I completed this right now and taking a second to talk to you guys. But also I want to make connections, and part of the importance I think of coding and learning to code is making a lot of connections. And I kind of chose this. Well, I didn't even think about it at the time. I just wanted to share my progress. That was the purpose, sharing my progress. That's it. But I've realized that this really helps make a community too, of people that you can like community of devs. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm not using cursor. I know. I have it. I made it last night. I feel like streaming your progress kind of makes it some sort of responsibility. Yes, exactly. Like especially if I, like, for example, if I felt like, oh, I'm too tired to like open and do even just a little bit, then part of me is like, well, no, I'm supposed to stream tonight too, so I have to get on. And it's like a mechanism to stop you from not stopping. Stop you from stopping. I guess. How long did it take you to learn coding? At this point I'm at 6 months in. 6 months roughly. Bro, I want to know that how you're able to show the screen streaming without those black bars at the both sides of the screen. It happens on MacBooks. Oh, because I'm using a monitor. Yeah. I've got a 16:9 monitor right here. This is what you're looking at. That's why it looks like that. Well, anyone who said they don't want to see my car, that's totally fine because I'll be streaming it tomorrow, which is technically my day off. So if you see a stream pop up for me and you're subscribed, just don't click on it. It's going to be my car. Right. So it's a Nissan Leaf ZE1 2018. How'd you learn it from YouTube? Yes. Oh, sorry. I use Udemy, I use YouTube, I use Hacking with Swift website, which is kind of YouTube as well. Apple documentation. I bought my car like 2 days ago. I picked it up yesterday, and I'm very excited to have it. I love it. It's absolutely awesome. If you guys are anything like me, you guys are gonna think it's sick. This is just MVP of this app, right? Yeah. So if we focus on the app for a second, I'll explain this idea. So here's a photo of me. Imagine this is a comic book, right? End of this month, I'll be applying. this whole month is gonna be my like my finalizing my things and the concepts I might need to know. Oh, really? So you don't work and don't. Oh, really? So you don't work and don't worry to spend a lot of money? Oh no, I work. I do Uber and Amazon, Uber Eats and Amazon. So I have income, so I can buy stuff. But like, also this is gonna save a lot of money. The electricity, it's a lot cheaper, especially when, because I actually like doing Uber and I like doing Amazon. I like delivery work much more than having to like work for someone. It's kind of in the gray area with Amazon working for someone, but you know what I mean, contractor. But I'm just saying I'm much rather be doing this. So yeah, just use cursor, learn coding properly. Treat like IDE. The moment you get stuck, you can ask a question. No, I use AI. I use AI to help me figure out something if I need it, because it's like being able to. It's like a live version of Slack. You have at your fingertips. I just don't have it integrated. I don't want to rely on it. I think sometimes you must be frustrated of not being able to focus. You have to keep up with both chat and code. uh, trust me. Sometimes I ignore you all. At the moment, I'm not. You're all blessed at the moment. I'm kidding. Honestly, I think it's the best coding teacher anyone would have. Yeah, I mean it helps. It helps a lot, and it can help to generate like examples, you know, that you need to solve. Oh, I see. Cool. Great progress. And for 6 months. Thank you, man. Thank you. Yeah, this here, what you're seeing here. Um, let me look. Let me look real quick. Double check here. I mean, this is not clean code. I'm not saying that at all, at one bit. However, because I did that on purpose, because I didn't want to spend time organizing it. I just wanted to throw it in there. But this whole thing is made by me, and there's no AI involved. So this whole thing here. I mean, it's a very simple thing, I guess, for me. I don't know. Perhaps you're some people behind me. Well, there would be people behind me, of course. The SwiftUI. Um. Well, that's a good question. I don't know. Working with APIs. Just building and maintaining front end and back end of iOS apps, I believe. So you start learning code on Xcode about a year ago. Move to cursor. Wish I'd moved sooner. You should honestly use cursor, bro. It's so much better. Well, I might. I mean, I'm pretty happy with what I have at the moment. I will have a look at cursor at some time though. At some point. Hope you get all the things sorted by end of month. Yeah, me too. There are no web dev streamers. Oh really? They're too busy working. I'm too busy chatting. But anyway. So let's talk about this app for a second. So the startup is about a comic book for autistic children, right? So it's to help them understand their feelings or emotions better. So that's the point of it. So this is going to be a companion app. There's going to be two different parts to the app, I think, at this point now. My friend just like comes up with tons of ideas, like all the time. And like like he literally sees something like this and he's like, oh my god, we could do this and this and this, and I'm just like, slow down, man, slow down. Jesus Christ. But anyway, the first portion of it would be, imagine this is a photo of me, obviously showing an emotion of like happiness or excitement, right? That's why I have that here. You'll see like images of a character and something will be happening to them, and you'll have to guess. You have to like try and select and understand what emotion they're portraying in that moment. So this is John's story, part 1. And this photo is taken from my recent upload to YouTube. Once upon a time, John drove up a mountain to see an incredible sunset. This is the start of his journey, though. This is the start of his journey, though, this photo. What do you think John is feeling right now? Well, I have to choose an emotion. Can't click that, doesn't do anything. Is he, I don't know, I can't really quite tell. Maybe he's angry. I don't know. I don't know how a kid would think about this. Maybe he's angry. No, he's not angry. I'll have to I can retry. And see, walking through this, you know what? Walking through this, you realize things that are wrong with it. Important thing to do. Oh no, I mean, it's not necessarily wrong, I suppose. You can retry here. You can't go again. You have to select the right one. But do we want to give them? We don't want to give them the answer, I suppose, right? So maybe this is too early to give. But anyway, retry. Bring it back. Get these fun animations going. Actually, that's excitement. Yay! Correct. Go next. That'll go to a next page, and then we can, just for the sake of showing off the animations and stuff, there's a reset button here that won't be there in the final product. That was so itchy right now. I was scared to move the cursor because I was like, oh god, I'm going to have to learn a whole new. Did that just get cut off? I don't know, without cursor I can't do shit now. For 100%, I would fail the simplest live coding. See, that's the thing. I don't want my brain to be mush from AI. That actually sounds like a really good project. Thanks, man. Animation was smooth. You know, like when you hover the cursor, the wrong option explains why I didn't correct you. YOLO, I actually can't do that because it's an iOS app. So imagine your phone can't detect where your finger's hovering. You need to hide. Choose an emotion button after you clicked a wrong option. Yeah, okay. What? There's hair on my face or something. Hello, Shawshank. Pretty good. How are you? How are ya? G'day, mate. That's my Australian accent. Where are we? Choose. Here we go. If button tapped, right? Is that right? No. No, if button's not tapped. That's right. Anger. The animation's not nearly as fun. There's probably a way I could get that to slide across with a transition thing. G'day, mate. How are ya? He got the crown by chatting so much. But the thing is, everyone has 75 XP at the moment, so technically you all should have the #1 crown. I don't know why. Hello, Raul. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. I have my YouTube panel open. Another 4 subscribers tonight. Wow. Thanks, guys. Much appreciated. Much appreciated. tomorrow I'll be able to see how much I've been able to earn with the first 2 days of monetization, I think. So I'll update that on my stream. Next stream. We can have a look at what I've made. Be cool to have a look at. It'd be cool to track that. I always find tracking money fun and interesting. Sharing money information. We're supposed to do some challenge on hitting 1K. What was that, by the way? I actually didn't. I wanted to do something, but I didn't have a challenge set up. I'm still kind of considering what to do because I don't want to do something like not good enough because 1K was really important for me. They're first. Supposed to do a hot tip stream. What? Jeez. FYI, anyone who's just coming in here, that vote is about the stream that's gonna happen tomorrow. It's not the typical streams. Tomorrow is literally just it's my day off, so it's like I want to show my car. I use a Mac, so I have a MacBook Pro M4 Pro. Let's do a 6 hours live stream then. Let's go. Yeah, I mean, I could do 6 hours live stream. Maybe I could do a long live stream building a specific app. Perhaps. All right. See you in a bit. Maybe I'll set up. Okay, I'll set up a poll. I might set up a poll maybe on YouTube and Discord and pick a couple app ideas and we can build, well, I don't know, is that boring to build some apps? Is that boring? Maybe we could, oh, you know what? Maybe we can try to make a Sprite Kit game for the first time. Because I have never used Sprite Kit. What do you guys think about that? I've been interested to try it. Or should I set up a poll for a couple different options? I don't know. Okay, so if button tapped is not tapped, it's not going to be showing. Oh, if button tapped is, wait, what? This doesn't work. What did I? Oh, what's up, Judah? I don't build web apps. I'm tired. No, I don't build web apps. Maybe in the future when Swift like except you need to put next button logic close to retry. What do you mean exactly by that? When Swift expands to web development, which it almost is there, I think, maybe I'll make some web apps. If button isn't tapped, choose an emotion appears. Wait. Oh yeah, hold on. Inside if button tapped condition. Oh. Wait, where do I have it now? Oh, here. But be affected by deck anymore, will it? And sheesh, my brain is like, I think it's fried at the moment. Button is tapped. Show this button label. Else. Wait, no, whoa. Hold on. What have I done? No, that's not right. Oh, right. Else here. That might be good. Else. Well, okay. This is where we just add another thing in. It still doesn't. Maybe I have to. Retry has to. Oh, maybe I need a different animation here. Right now I have this one. Well, I mean, it got the next thing back, which I don't want. Which I don't want. I want it here, but you know what? Just you know what? That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. So anyway, what do you think John is feeling? He's not angry. I'll retry that. He's not sad. Do you think an autistic kid would just like go straight away and look at that too? The other problem is, well, anyway, this is a prototype. Who cares, right? It's a prototype. So But when this, I will fix it later. Anyway, this is basically what it should look like. So I'm just gonna, how do I need to add a stream marker here. I'm gonna try this new feature here. Marker appear in the video editor. Okay. So, John's story part 1. Once upon a time, John drove up a mountain to see an incredible sunset. Here he is. Here's me. This is the start of his journey, though. This is the start of his journey. Right here. What do you think John is feeling right now? Is he feeling excitement? I'm not sure. Is he feeling sadness? Maybe. Click. Is he feeling angry? Actually, yeah, he looks angry, right? No, he's not angry. Okay, let's retry. Maybe he's sad. No. He must be excited. Yay! And that's it. I'll put another marker there. So that I just did that for my friend because I'm gonna refer him to this video, or I'm gonna take a clip out of this stream and then send it to him. Whew. Woo 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 woo. All right, let's actually instead of building something now, you know what, I'm gonna let me integrate these features here. Stage all. Oh, that's never come up before. Weird. Remove unnecessary variables. Simplify the UI and added a reset button for easy replay. Not perfect prototype. Remember? Commit. Let's push that all up to the Git. The GIT. Sweet. Let's. Did that go up? I think it did. Yeah. I'll just push again. Make sure it did. Yeah. Okay. All right. Oh, what is this? No. Okay, guys, I'm gonna I need a drink, so I'm gonna just quickly, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna come back and then go over some more concepts that I need to go over to make sure I'm ready to ready for the end of the month and for my freelancing. So I'm so excited to actually say that. I hope I can actually do it. I should at least try. So what I'm gonna do is there's this new feature I got, so I'm gonna click take a break thing, and it's gonna run some ads. So if you guys don't mind to stay and watch those, that'd be awesome. Or I mean, don't watch them, and don't necessarily buy anything either. Don't click them. But I'm just gonna try this feature out and see how it goes. So just know I'm coming back. I'm just gonna click this thing. It's new. Let's give it a try. Ready? Here we go. BRB, I think, apparently. Let's try. Okay, I think I'm back. I'm so confused. I'm so confused of what happened there. That's cool though. That's cool that you could like. I don't know. I don't even know if that showed ads. Does it show ads? Apparently, it shows ads and it shows videos or something. Oh, right. It shows ads probably if you don't have YouTube Premium. I know if you if you don't. Now I get it. Okay. Anyway, I got a drink and stuff, so that was actually good. Good for me to do. Feel better. So let's close this project and we are gonna open up something else. Oh, thank you for the subscription, Pablo. Thank you. Thanks so much. All right, I'm just gonna pop open Grok as well because Grok has my study plan here. History. 1 month to master Swift. Here we go. So I can finally delete all these car searches I've been doing with Grok. Thank God. So happy. There we go. I'm asking Grok if we're meant to be building an app right now. I think we might be. Go on, Grok. Here we go. What we got going on? It's just listing stuff out. I'm just looking at. It's still typing. Wait, why do I need this? It's telling me to make a CLI app. Why do I need that? Do I really need that right now? I don't think so. I don't think so. Oh, thank you for the subscriptions, guys. We're at 1,010 already. We've already blown past the 1,000 mark. Amazing. Oh my god, wow, Grok is very slow tonight. What the hell? Very slow. What is it doing? Oh, is it backhand? This is backhand stuff. purpose. But okay, subscribers to come. Man, it blows my mind. It blows my mind. There's a lot of people who want to share in the code growth, the coding knowledge growth. Sorry, I'm just reading this, going over this thing really quickly. You know, I'll actually bring it up on the screen. If I can show you what I'm looking at. Whoa, why are we so small here? Why are we over there? What? It's already 12? How long have I been here? Only an hour and 30 minutes. So, Discord Swift. Is this being built in GitHub or with Swift? Swift. What confuses me is what Grok is having me do right now. Why does it keep thanking me for my questions? Oh, okay, right. Okay. Oh no, it's writing the whole thing again. Oh god. What is it doing? Oh my god, it's... Oh my god. Okay. It's overloading me with information here. Offered. By the way, I'll make an announcement about this. I think Bebe, bless you. Are you gonna be back Sunday daytime? Or later? Hello from Queensland. Okay. I think on Saturday I'm gonna do a full long ass stream, and I'll start after work, probably around 6 p.m. dinner time. I'll go for 6 hours, not 12 hours. Holy, no way. Jesus. Welcome, Imperial Tech. Bro. What is... Damn, I'm happy to see people join in. I know, there's... At one point, I don't know if you were here for this, Kroko, but... at one point there was like... 30, 40 people one day. It's crazy. Today is not my first day. I'm 6 months in. Enemy. Just had snacks. Nice. Ooh, I kind of want some snacks, but I feel like I'd be too full after that. I had some, I mean, that was a really good day. Lucky day. What was the initial question you asked Grok? What is it Grok told you to do? Well, I told her to give me a plan for the next month on what to cover. But I think it's gone out of control now. I might make a new thing here and just say, do you remember that you tasked me to write a CLI app? Can you clarify what it is and what you want me to do? What are the parameters? I don't have record. Now I'm worried it's not, the context is not there, which I don't like. Joe's def good enough to do freelancing. I don't know why he ain't trying. Dude, I don't think I am. Really? I hail ChatGPT. I don't know. I usually like Grok. Claude is good. Gemini is sometimes good. Actually, Gemini might be better for this task. Not Grok. I'm thinking. What you need to do, here you go. Okay, in a playground to practice. Create command line tool project. Define a task struct and integrate validate note and get grade for task management. Can exercise the CLI project. View functions. Wait, I don't. This is essentially pointless, isn't it? What this is telling me to do. I mean, it's probably not pointless, but you know what I mean. It's not. Let's move on to the next step. What's next? Because it's guiding me through. Maybe I should do this in Gemini. I don't know. Oh, thank you, Marceline. Thank you so much. I'm trying hard. Trying hard here. What I do is write my own prompt at first and then put it in DeepSeek, and I ask it to refine the prompt and put the refined prompt in Gemini to refine it again, only then paste the prompt in ChatGPT, and the last line I ask questions for more information. What the hell? John teamed up with a backend dev. They can easily create advanced app. Oh, dude, 100%. I have decent knowledge of front end Swift development and SwiftUI. My problem is sometimes the functionality. Oh, this is the wrong program. Any backend devs want to combo my skills? Yo, wait. No, I didn't pay for Grok 4. No, no, no. Croco, you just... Did you just subscribe? I mean, membership again, man? Oh, really? Wait, really? Thanks, Robbie. Well, actually, my fiance is going away tomorrow. She's not working. So she's actually awake over there, so I can chat loudly. Thanks, man. Thank you again for renewing that. That's awesome. I was saying before, like, I got to my goal of 1,000 subscribers to get monetized, and hopefully, that's gonna make enough so I don't have to do Uber at some point. I still have to do it a little bit now, but let's see tomorrow, and then the next day what kind of money I'm making. It's I don't know. It's the first ever member. Let's say Crocodam was a member last month to me as well, supporting the shit out of me. That sounds weird. Oh, car reveal today. Thank you, dude. Thank you so much. I can click like on that. Nice. Dude, you're awesome. Yeah, I know. No, I wanna do everything though. I wanna do it. I've been learning for 6 months, Angelus. Thank you for your question. Croco Dam is actually supporting the shit out of me. Thank you so much, man. Thank you. So bring the chat and continue the grind. I'm getting mad at the AI. Actually, I can't see with my Mac there. There we go. In college, I actually went to I did marine science, marine biology, which is very different from, well, actually marine science actually, I'm saying actually so many times, actually, marine science does have coding in it. Can you not? I think you can clip, right? Or can you not? That sucks if you can't. That sucks. Z, I just want to say I really love your picture, by the way. I love Patrick. Oh wait, oops. Return. Wait, what? I can't do that outside of a function? Or did that, was that? Huh? Really? Does that do any, does that work? How many members do we have on the channel? See, that's a good question. I know poll is literally on 50-50, what the hell? We have you, but I'm confused because oh, fuck, I think I can just check, right? Let me have a look. Let me check this. Memberships here. It's just you, man, I think. We only have one. It's you at the moment. Yeah. I see total members, members gained, and cancellations. All one. I mean, no, you don't have to do that. What do you mean get another one? Here's something great. I know. Where there's one member, there could be another member. You never know. Hold on. Did I... Wait, I just realized. Sorry. I was working on code and you couldn't see me. Sorry about that. I realized this, the damn AI was in there. Why won't this run? There we go. If let display name equal display name. Print hello display name. Else display name equals anonymous. Wait. Oh yeah. Oh, name. But how do we use that again? Why is it not? Doesn't want to print anything. Let my friend get a membership. Oh, really? No, I mean, he doesn't even watch me. Just, that's fine, man. You don't have to get someone else to, you don't have to get your friend to, like, send me money, basically. Speaking of sending money, memberships are more fun, right? Because I was just thinking, like, should I set up a, I don't know if I should set up like the buy me a coffee link thing. Oh wait, 9 days till Catch Number season 2 begins. Actually, it's begun for me. There's an episode out, isn't there? Are you sure? I thought it's out. I already watched Dan to Dan. One episode. Oh yeah, it is printing here. Why is it not coming up here? That's weird. That's so weird. There we go, it works. Perfect. I don't know why guard wouldn't work in there. I'm pretty sure it's out, man. Pretty sure it's out. Go have a look at Crunchyroll or something. Alright, let me just what are we missing here? Optionals. Call control flows this with our activity. Test manager. Lunch break and study functions. Let's do a little bit of functions here for a minute with parameters. What can we do? Someone name something we could do simply. And we'll come on join it. Are you serious? What did I see on Crunchyroll then? I literally looked at it the other day. Oh, wait. No. There's an episode here. Maybe it's a pre-episode? So officially it comes out, but there's a pre-episode EX thing. No, I pay for it. Of course. Pay for a subscription. Crunchyroll. Alright, let's get these functions going. Okay, let's do one where we have to return a string first, just to start simply. Func. Oh yeah, pretty much that. Oh yeah, we can use a an optional as well. So greet this person and return guard let name equal name, else return greetings you foolish wizard. And then we're gonna go name, no, print how do you do? What the hell? Name. Does that work? Wait. Oh, hold on. We're returning a string. What if we just deal with a string? Does that work? Oh, yeah. Does this work in here though, actually? Because it's in a function now? Let's see what's going on. Alright, see you, brother. See ya. Line 155 looks off. Can you explain the code? It looks like you're trying to do a comparison, but you're using the assignment operator. You should use equals for comparison. This. Oh, yeah. You're right. Is this right then? No. I see what you mean. What we're doing, we're not comparing. Sorry, we're not comparing. We're basically making sure that display name has a value, essentially. So if it didn't have a value, it would return this one. But since it does, you set it equal to nil, right? And now it'll print the other one, no name, here. Oh no, well, does it? I mean, it has a value, I guess. But if it doesn't have a value, why does it print nil though? That's weird. Oh yeah, there. See? Doesn't print nil. Prints no name. That's what it's supposed to do. Also, I just really didn't reply to you, Croco, when you said car reveal today. Wait, what time is it where you are? Because is it going to be today? Well, technically, well, it's 12:36 a.m. for me, so today, later today, I'll do it. How do you do name? And then greet name Jason. Greet name Marceline. I like your name, Marceline. Let's greet Marceline. How do you do, Marceline? Let's make maybe another one. Funk. Greet 2. No, I don't want to do the same thing. Maybe let's do... Let's do a returning one now. Funk. My name is... That's what we want, yeah. So this is writing it for me, but I know what it's doing. This is the point where I allow things to happen with AI. If I understand what it's doing, it's saving me time because I would have written the exact same thing myself. But if I don't know what's going on, that's the problem. You'd want to check if the string is empty. You can use display name dot is empty. If you assign display name to, it should return true. Oh, right. Yeah. True. We could do a an else if, right? If display name dot is empty, oh wait, if display name dot is empty, oh, okay, not nil. Is that right? There we go. It's such a nice name. Actually, it reminds me of Adventure Time, which I have very fond memories of. Wow, hello Hydroxer, dude. I swear I haven't seen you in a long time. How's it going? I'm good, I'm just tired. Excited, but tired. Having fun. We're always having fun. Oh, here's my... Yeah. Cool. Guys, there's 20 people in here right now. That is so crazy. So glad that everyone's enjoying just chilling and coding. Vibing coding, not vibe coding. Man, how's your job? Good, I guess? I don't know what you mean. A little bit annoying, I suppose. Trying to set up VS Code for C++. Oh. KMS. Xcode is plug and play. Plug and play, bitch. How's your job, Kurt? I don't have an iOS job, if that's what you're asking me. I don't. How do one start to learn coding? Start with some tutorials online. Start with some Apple tutorials. Apple is the easiest one to get into by far. If you start with it and you kind of like coding, but you want to try some other languages, maybe go into Java or something. Start with try web development. I think that's pretty easy too. Like I've heard JavaScript maybe is a little bit more easy. Maybe I'm wrong. Oh jeez. I'd be yawning. We might only do a little bit more here. So here this is where we would print my name. My name is, let's highlight our one and only Omega supporter member here. Crocodam. So here we enter a name. It might not have a name. I think we can just do this, right? No. A name. Wait, what happened? My name is string. Can that be like that? No. How do you actually put something in here that's empty? My name is... Wait, how do you put... Whoa. Oh, okay, yeah, mine's alright. Just barely making it, to be honest. I'm trying to do stiff side hustles. Oh, fair enough. I mean, hopefully something works for you. Just randomly got your live stream recommended by YouTube. Check it out. Nice work. Oh, thanks, man. Much appreciated. Appreciated? Appreciated. Much appreciated. What are you learning? I am learning SwiftUI and Swift coding language. Swift 6. I'm trying to figure out how do I... Oh, wait. Nil. I'm a genius. I'm a freaking genius. No name provided. So if let's put in Crocodam. And let's see what it says. My name is Crocodam. To my dearest one and only member. Here we are. Let's print that out. To my dearest one and only member, Crocodam. It's quiet? Oh, sorry. I don't know why it's so quiet. Is the music too loud or something? Sorry, man. Turned it up a little bit. We actually have only one member, so I need to update that doggone thing right there. One member progress is one. Wait, what? Oh, that's weird. Oh, I'll just leave it for now. Hi, my name is String Shady? String Shady? What does that mean? Hi, my name is String Shady. Here you go. Wait, no. That goes to my dearest one and only member, String Shady. That's a mistake. Oops. Alright, let's grab a funk addition. And we'll do int b of type int return int, right? Is that right? Return a plus b. Is that right? This is me droning in the idea of these things here. This is what I'm focusing right now, the parameters thing. And this returning. I mean, I'm okay with it. I'm pretty good with it, but I'm just droning it, draining what is the word? Droning into my brain, something like that. Are you still not using AI to code, bro? Correct. I mean, I'm trying to learn, man, so AI just messes me up. I'm not judging other people for doing it. I'm just saying for me, it doesn't work. Like to learn, it doesn't work for me. Like it just does it for me, or I mean, I'm using it to help me. I'm not using it to write my code, basically. That is your question, and like that idea of that type of question is like the number one thing that I get asked when I want to get rid of AI too. I'm too dependent on it now. Yeah, you should. You should. Like, I'm super passionate about this, so I want to know it. I want to learn it. I want to do it. I want to live it, breathe it. But the things I don't want to live and breathe, I'm happy for AI to do. But also, I feel like I need to know this too at the same time. Like, anything I don't need to know or understand or do necessarily, I'll just get AI to do it. I I want AI to take over as much as possible. I want AI to be in robots. I want tons of robots here at my house. I want robots to do my dishes, every chore. I want dishes, laundry, cooking, please. That'd be awesome. My fiance would probably say no to that. I think she already has said no to that. But yeah, put away the dishes, vacuum. Man, imagine how much time you'd free up. Just leave a robot on at your house in the morning, come back to something spotless. Fold clothes, organize. Oh shit. You know what? I think I'm gonna have to go to bed in a second. It's almost 1 and I've been up since like what, 6:30 I think. Holy shit. So we have this going. What was I gonna? I usually use AI in a virtual machine now. Why do you do that? Um, what was I gonna say here about this function thing? Oh yeah, I need to practice some other types of functions. So we're gonna start working on projects here soon. We got some projects coming up. I think I'm gonna be making 3 projects to help out with my portfolio. I actually have a few made already. Don't want to give out any of my cookies and always use DuckDuckGo. Oh, fair enough. Yeah, good plan. Very good plan. We don't even know what this is really collecting on us, do we? Oh, we're at 1,013 subscribers. Thanks, guys, for subscribing. Glad to have you. Wait, what's... We don't, and that's concerning. Watch PewDiePie video and was amazed in the comments. People just give out all their data. Oh, dude, they're crazy. Some people just absolutely insane. All right, I'm gonna test out one more feature here that I got the other day. I can insert an ad here. I'm gonna give it a try. Don't hate me, please. Maybe we can get some money out of this. Let's see. Here we go. Yeah, 3, 2, 1. Let's see what happens. Are we in an ad? I don't know. Some of you guys might be not having the ad. I figured they wouldn't work. I think most people, especially in the coding space, would have ad blockers, right? I don't even like I can't see what's happening with the ad situation either. I can't see that. So it's like, whoa, what's going on? What is going on with that? Oh, thanks for subscribing, Dibbeek. Thank you so much. I have double or sometimes triple protection DNS ad blockers. Whoa. You're you're like the you're like a digital doomsday prepper. Okay. All right, so we've obviously got some more complicated like stuff to do with functions, but I think we'll go into some apps next stream and get onto those more complicated functions so we can put them in action. I'm not a huge I like playgrounds, but I'm not a huge fan of them because they're not. I love learning in actual context, if that makes sense. So I much prefer to like learn do not doing, but like I guess doing and also directly specific to what we're doing, not just like a random thing like this. But these are good. These are good to like test out shit. All right. Well, I'm gonna hop off because it's very, very late for me and I'm very tired now. And I still have to get up at like, I don't know, 9:30, 10 tomorrow, which is not that late, but I still gotta, I don't know, try and get to sleep here, which is, it's already 1, so it's like, I don't know, 8 hours or something like that. So yeah. Good night, Croco. Good night. Croco? Croco? Crocodam? Crocodam? Should learn to say that correctly. Thank you, brother, for your support. Thank you so much. And thank you to everyone else who popped in. Croco. Okay, cool. Crocodam. I had it right the first time then. Yeah, thank you for everyone else who joined in as well and supported me by subscribing. That's so awesome of you guys. And happy to have you here. And let's look at our poll results. So a lot of people did choose must watch Code. I don't know how many of you chose that as a joke because it's actually a fun one to tap on. But tomorrow will be my I don't know how long it's gonna be. If you guys want to chat, maybe tomorrow's gonna be a chatting stream. Tonight was kind of a chatting stream, but we realized what we need to do when we covered my other app. So tomorrow won't be any coding. And it'll just be on my phone and it'll be at my car. So if you guys want to chill and do that, then feel free to join. Thank you, brother. Thank you. And yeah, I'll see you guys then. Otherwise, I'll see you guys on Saturday for another coding stream. So we'll be back again. I still haven't got my coding schedule up on YouTube. Jeez. Even though I stick to it pretty much. Or pretty well, I would say. The past few days, no, not so much, but that's because I had to sort out the whole car purchase. So that was really, really annoying. Anyway, a car reveal today. Actually today. In what time are you on, Croco? Are you gonna be here for the car stream? Because I'm trying to figure out, like, I could start maybe 6 p.m. my time. Or maybe even, maybe 7 or 8, I don't know. I'm 32. How old are you? Okay, I don't know exactly what time I'll be on, but probably definitely before tonight's one I'll be on. Oh, 18. Are you thinking of starting to code, brother? I'll probably be on, I don't know, maybe 6 somewhere between 6 to 8 p.m. my time. I'm Indian, but always awake, asleep in shifts, 4 hours sleep. Oh, okay. Interesting. We're procrastinating to learn JS for 6 months. Dude, you gotta dive in. You gotta dive in. You're gonna have the struggle of your lifetime in the beginning, but then everything's gonna make sense. You have my word. That's what happened to me, and look at me now. I love learning it. All right, guys, I'm gonna head off. Thank you, Random, for your last final question. Appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys either tomorrow or Saturday. See you then. Good night, everyone. Or, well, good morning. Thank you, man. You too. Good night.